Welcome to Prosperity Roadmap, your guide to financial clarity. Today, we embark on a journey to secure your financial future. Let's set the foundation for a life of abundance. If you're seeking clarity in the complex world of personal finance, or if you're on the hunt for strategies to enhance your economic well-being, you've found your compass. Imagine a path that leads to financial security, a route defined by informed decisions and strategic planning. We're here to demystify the steps to financial freedom and help you grow your wealth, one milestone at a time. In our premiere episode, we're rolling out the blueprint for your prosperity roadmap. This is more than just advice. It's a practical plan tailored to steer you away from common pitfalls and propel you towards financial independence. We'll dive into what financial freedom truly entails, its significance in your life, and actionable steps you can start implementing right now, regardless of your financial starting point. So let's embark on this exciting venture together. Financial freedom, it's a term that's often tossed around, but what does it truly mean? At its core, financial freedom is about achieving enough wealth to live on without having to work actively for basic necessities. It's the peace of mind that comes from being in control of your finances rather than your finances controlling you. It means being free from the constant worry about money, and it's the ability to make life decisions without being overly stressed about the financial impact. Financial freedom is not synonymous with being rich or wealthy. Rather, it's about having the financial resources that allow you to live a life you choose. It's about stabilizing your finances to the point where you're no longer living paycheck to paycheck, but instead, you're thriving. It's not just about accumulating a massive amount of money, but more about understanding and managing your money effectively so that it works for you, even when you're not working. Now let's dispel some myths. Financial freedom is not a one-size-fits-all concept, nor is it a distant dream reserved for a lucky few. It's not about winning the lottery or receiving a windfall. It's about setting realistic financial goals and taking consistent steps towards them. Everyone's journey to financial freedom is unique, and it's about finding the right balance that allows you to live a rich and fulfilling life. So whether you're looking to retire early, travel the world, or simply live without monetary constraints, your prosperity roadmap is the key to unlocking that freedom. Embarking on a financial journey without a plan is like setting out on a road trip without a map. You might eventually reach your destination, but you'll likely encounter unnecessary detours and obstacles along the way. That's why you need a prosperity roadmap. A prosperity roadmap serves as your personalized financial plan. It helps you identify your destination, plot your course, and navigate through the twists and turns of personal finance with confidence. With a roadmap, you can set clear financial goals, establish a realistic budget, and create a savings plan that aligns with your life's ambitions. It's a strategic approach to managing your money that keeps you focused on the bigger picture. Life is unpredictable, and without a plan, it's easy to veer off course. Your prosperity roadmap is designed to be flexible, allowing you to navigate around life's financial roadblocks and keep moving towards your goals, even when the unexpected happens. On one hand, without a roadmap, you might find yourself overwhelmed by financial decisions, unsure of how to save for the future or how to manage debt. On the other hand, with a roadmap, you gain clarity and control, making informed decisions that lead to financial success. Your prosperity roadmap is not just a financial tool, it's a commitment to yourself. It's a promise to take the reins of your financial well-being and drive towards a future where money is a tool for achieving your dreams, not a source of stress. So, why do you need a prosperity roadmap? Because it's the blueprint for your financial freedom. It's the guide that helps you chart your course, stay on track, and reach your financial destination with purpose and peace of mind. Every successful journey begins with understanding the key components that make up the route. The prosperity roadmap is no different. It comprises several essential elements, each designed to help you navigate the financial landscape and reach your desired destination. Firstly, setting clear financial goals. These are the landmarks on your map, the destinations you're aiming to reach. Whether it's buying a home, funding education, or enjoying a comfortable retirement, your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. Next, understanding your current financial situation. This is your starting point. It involves taking a comprehensive look at your income, expenses, debt, and savings. Knowing where you stand financially helps you plot a realistic course towards your goals, creating a budget that works for you. Think of your budget as your roadmap scale, keeping your journey in proportion. A budget helps you manage your money effectively, ensuring you live within your means while saving for the future. And finally, practical steps to start your journey. This is where the rubber meets the road. With your goals set and your budget in place, you'll begin by establishing an emergency fund to cushion against life's uncertainties, followed by implementing debt reduction strategies to clear the path ahead and creating a savings plan to fuel your progress. These key components form the core of your prosperity roadmap. They work in tandem to provide you with a comprehensive plan for financial success. By addressing each element, you'll equip yourself with the knowledge and tools needed to navigate the journey to financial freedom confidently. With the key components of your prosperity roadmap outlined, it's time to take action. These practical steps will set you in motion towards a future of financial freedom. Let's walk through each step to ensure you start your journey on solid ground. First, identifying and prioritizing your goals. Begin by writing down all your financial aspirations, no matter how big or small. Then, prioritize them based on their importance and the time frame you wish to achieve them. This process will help you focus your energy and resources on what matters most to you. Next, building an emergency fund. This fund acts as a financial safety net, protecting you from unexpected expenses such as medical bills or car repairs. Aim to save enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses, giving you peace of mind and the freedom to handle life's surprises without derailing your financial plans. Now let's talk about debt reduction. High-interest debt can slow your progress, so it's crucial to tackle it head-on. Consider methods like the debt snowball, where you pay off smaller debts first for quick wins, or the debt avalanche, where you focus on debts with the highest interest rates. Choose the strategy that keeps you motivated and aligns with your financial style. Finally, saving strategies. It's time to turn your dreams into reality by setting up a savings plan. Start by paying yourself first, automatically transferring a portion of your income into a savings or investment account before you spend on anything else. This ensures that you consistently build your wealth over time. By taking these practical steps, you begin to trace the route on your prosperity roadmap. Remember, the journey to financial freedom isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Each step, no matter how small, moves you closer to your financial goals. Stay committed, stay the course, and watch as your financial landscape transforms. As with any journey, the path to financial freedom is not without its challenges. Recognizing these common roadblocks and understanding how to navigate around them is crucial for maintaining your momentum and staying on course. First up, unexpected expenses. Life can be unpredictable, and unforeseen costs like medical emergencies or home repairs can quickly derail your finances. Your emergency fund is your umbrella for this rainy day, ensuring that you can cover these costs without borrowing or dipping into your long-term savings. High-interest debt is another major roadblock. It can feel like a weight holding you back from reaching your financial goals. To overcome this, focus on paying off high-interest debts as soon as possible. Consider consolidating or refinancing to lower interest rates and free up more money for savings and investments. Inconsistent income, whether from freelance work, a variable job market, or other factors, can make financial planning challenging. To navigate this, establish a baseline budget based on your average income and set aside surplus funds during good months to cover you during leaner times. Lifestyle inflation can sneak up on you as your income grows. It's natural to want to improve your standard of living, but it can impede your savings goals. Combat this by sticking to your budget and saving or investing any extra income over your established living costs. Finally, a lack of financial education can be a significant barrier. The world of finance can seem daunting, but knowledge is power. Dedicate time to learning about personal finance through books, courses, and reputable online resources. As your understanding grows, so will your confidence in making informed financial decisions. By anticipating these roadblocks and preparing strategies to overcome them, you'll be well equipped to continue your journey on the prosperity roadmap. Remember, obstacles are just opportunities for growth. With each challenge you conquer, you'll be one step closer to your destination of financial freedom. To navigate your financial journey effectively, you'll need the right set of tools. Budgeting apps help manage your money. Books provide wisdom, and calculators aid in planning. These tools are widely available and can be powerful allies in your quest for financial freedom. We value your insights and experiences. Share your thoughts on starting your financial journey in the comments below, and let's build a community of prosperity together. As we wrap up, remember, financial freedom begins with a clear plan, and your prosperity roadmap is that plan. Today's insights are your first steps towards a future of financial confidence. Start with intention, and the path to prosperity will unfold before you. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll delve deeper into effective budgeting strategies that work for any income level. Thank you for joining us today. We're excited to be a part of your financial journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Until next time, keep paving your path to prosperity.